Welcome to the best picks. The best 14-inch pizza stone is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets for pizza enthusiasts, promising a crispy crust and authentic pizzeria taste. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when buying a 14-inch pizza stone, ensuring you make an informed decision and achieve pizza perfection every time. Number 5. Pizza Stone Baking Stone. It's made of durable, high-quality steel, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly crispy crusts every time. This pizza stone is built to last. Its robust construction withstands high temperatures, preventing cracking and ensuring years of delicious pizzas. Whether you're grilling outdoors or baking indoors, it delivers consistent, reliable results, making it perfect for any occasion. It eliminates hot spots, ensuring your pizza cooks evenly from edge to edge for a perfect bake. It absorbs and transmits heat evenly, giving your pizza that signature crispy bottom and professional taste. Enjoy a hassle-free cooking and cleaning experience. Simply scrub it gently after it cools. What we like? It's built to last with high-quality steel, perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Its even heat distribution ensures a consistently crispy crust every time. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting pizza stone for any cooking situation, this is the one for you. What people say. Cooks evenly, and in time expected. Nothing burnt. Very thick. As shown in online description. The crust was so incredibly crispy and the pizza was delicious. This thicker stone really does a nice job at getting the bottom crust evenly browned, and my interest in homemade pizza has returned, and I am very pleased with the results after just a few relearning how attempts. Stone arrived in perfect condition and was packaged extremely well. Number 4. Unicook 14 Pizza Stone. Get ready to experience pizza perfection. This stone is made from high-quality Cordierite, ensuring even heating and a crispy crust every time. It's built to last. The superior strength and heat retention of this stone mean it can withstand high temperatures and frequent use. Its unique micropores draw out moisture, resulting in perfectly crispy pizza, bread, or flatbreads. Say goodbye to soggy bottoms. Use it for pizza, bread, cookies. The possibilities are endless. It's perfect for oven or grill use, and its large size is ideal for feeding a crowd. Cleaning up is a breeze with the included scraper. It's also great for cutting dough. For best results, avoid soap and oil. Simply wipe it clean after use. If you have any issues, contact us for assistance. What we like? This pizza stone's unique micropores create an incredibly crispy crust. The even heat distribution prevents soggy centers, and it even comes with a handy scraper. If you prioritize a perfectly crisp pizza and appreciate added convenience, this is your best bet. What people say. Heavy, retains the heat between pizzas, and firm as steel. It's thick and has a lot of surface area, providing an easy target to slide your pizza onto from a peel or other surface. The crust browned beautifully and the taste was as good as any I've produced, no off flavors from the new stone. It worked great after I put it in the oven and let it get hot. It kept the temperature the same for hours instead of going up and down. Number 3. Old Stone 14 Pizza Stone. It's time to elevate your pizza game. This stone creates perfectly crispy crusts, just like your favorite pizzeria. It absorbs and distributes oven heat evenly, ensuring that your pizza cooks perfectly from edge to crust. It's designed to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees, ideal for achieving that signature golden brown crust. Made from a special blend of lead-free clays, it's built to last and won't crack under high heat. The unique heat core technology eliminates soggy centers, resulting in a consistently delicious pizza. Simply rinse it with water and let it air dry. It even seasons over time for improved performance. With its 14-inch diameter, it's the ideal size for making delicious pizzas, breads, pastries, and even roasted vegetables. What we like? It delivers restaurant-quality results, thanks to its even heat distribution and special design that eliminates soggy centers. It's durable and easy to clean. If you crave restaurant-style pizza at home, this is the stone for you. What people say. Makes the crust crispy and great for warming up your pizza slices the next day. This pizza stone is large enough to handle all your pizza needs. Not just good for pizzas but also scones and bread, for a crisp bottom. Number 2. 14.2 Cordierite Pizza Stone. It's easy to make delicious, pizzeria quality pizzas at home. It distributes heat evenly for a perfectly crispy crust every time. This isn't just for pizza. Use it to bake cookies, bread, biscuits, and even reheat ready-made pizzas for superior results. It's incredibly durable and can withstand temperatures up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last for years of delicious cooking. Made from food-grade stoneware, fired at 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, it's completely safe and odorless. You can trust it in your kitchen. At 0.6 thick, it's lightweight and heats up quickly. No long preheating times needed, unlike thicker stones. No seasoning or conditioning required. Simply place it in your oven or grill and start cooking. For optimal results, preheat it for 45 to 60 minutes in your oven or 20 to 30 minutes on your grill. Preheating time depends on your appliance's efficiency. What we like. This stone provides even heat distribution for perfectly cooked pizzas and other baked goods. It's ready to use straight out of the box, and it's versatile enough for various applications. If you want a hassle-free, versatile option, this is it. What people say. Works great. I use it in my Traeger, Weber charcoal and gas grill. Works in any of my grills for fantastic crispy crust homemade pizza every Friday. Just wipe off after using with damp cloth. Just be a little neat when loading pizza and no problem keeping clean. Allow me to start by saying that I am not using this as a pizza thing. I'm using it as a custom heatsink radiant heat dispersion stone in a custom grill application. I have now drilled 61 holes in it with a masonry bit anywhere from 3/8 up to 1/2 to fine-tune my heat transfer. It sits directly on top of a 17,000 BTU HR propane flame for hours at a time, and it keeps taking abuse. I'm impressed. I have tortured this little thing and it keeps performing. It's strong. The finish is also very smooth and I imagine very easy to season. It cooks a frozen pizza so it's almost as good as pizza shop pizza. I've tried many different ways to cook a pizza at home and this is it. Aluminum pans, steel pans, tin foil, even cooking it on the oven rack, all gave poor results. The crust on every frozen pizza I have tried comes out fantastic. Number 1. IMPRESA 14x14 Pizza Steel. Get ready to elevate your pizza game. This pizza steel delivers perfectly crispy crusts every time, much faster than traditional stones. It heats up incredibly quickly, retaining and radiating heat for that signature pizzeria crust. Enjoy delicious pizzas in a fraction of the time. It's designed to fit most ovens and is perfect for baking pizzas and rustic breads. Achieve wood-fired results right in your kitchen. With its low-friction, non-stick surface, you can easily slide and turn your pizza without losing heat. The finger hole makes it easy to handle. Cleaning is a breeze. It comes pre-seasoned and requires only a simple wipe or scrape to remove any debris. No washing needed. Experience the difference of even heat distribution and superior heat retention. It's time to make restaurant-quality pizzas at home. What we like. Made of steel, it heats up quickly and delivers a crispy crust in a flash. It's also incredibly easy to clean. If you value speed and convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Makes a perfect crisp crust. Extremely crispy dough and perfectly cooked toppings. After allowing the steel pizza stone to come up to temperature, my pizza cooks perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.